This is the Mastercraft 52-0256-A smoke alarm. Now most of you are probably thinking, I've never heard of Mastercraft. But our friends up north are probably saying, oh yeah, I know of Mastercraft. That's because this is a Canadian alarm. I got this from YouTube user 909able. I'm trading one of my First Alert SA76 RCs, the one that is in the difference between First Alert's 80 smoke detectors video. This was made by BRK for Canadian Tire. The cover design is also used here in the States, or was also used here in the States by Montgomery Ward's and JCPenney for their alarms. Here's a clearer view of the label on the back of the alarm. Notice the instructions in English and French. Basically, this is the BRK 79R, just relabeled. Notice how white the cover is, and how there's the weird sort of deformations in it, like there. That's because this cover was painted. Of course, you're not supposed to paint the detector covers, but oh well. So, I'll open it up, show you the inside of the cover. Again, you can see like the residue of the paint drops and stuff. Nothing special here, just your regular writing. And then here's the base. Again, nothing special. It's the 79R circuit board. Now I'll put the cover back on, if I can do it with one hand. Just a sec. Alright. Now I'll test it for you. Again, it sounds just like any 80s era BRK or First Alert. Here's the side holes, and you can tell the difference now between the base, which was unpainted, and the cover, which was. So like I said, this is the Mastercraft smoke alarm.